GPT-5 आने वाला है। वेलकम टू लास्ट वीक द AI न्यूज पार्ट 3। Okay, so there is like talks about ChatGPT. Sam Altman ने specifically बोला है कि don't expect too much from it. It is going to be a better model, but it's going to be like an incremental improvement apparently. I'm not sure. Then there is Reddit CEO is now calling out Microsoft, Anthropic, and Perplexity for scraping their data, without asking them. So that's consequences incoming. इसके बाद this is very surprising, ठीक है, मेटा ने grants बनाए हैं for anyone who's using Llama 3.1 to create great applications. This is very, non-villain like for Meta. उसके बाद 3 of the co-founders of OpenAI, Greg Brockman, Ilya Sutskever, and John Scullman. ठीक है, I'm not sure if I pronounced all of those correctly, but they are leaving the company. Next is Meta is now negotiating with Hollywood for the rights of their voice. Meta is like becoming that like good company, and it is known to be an evil corporation. And OpenAI, that was made for open source contribution and to keep AI open source, they are doing evil shit like using everyone's data for free and not asking and saying just get out, we won't pay for your data. Google's Gemini is expanding its AI capabilities. Abhi Google is taking Gemini and putting it in home accessories. So जैसा अपना Alexa आता है, Alexa के अंदर जो AI मॉडल आता है, वैसा Google अपने HomePods के अंदर they are going to put Gemini. That is pretty cool. जो पुराने वाले मॉडल्स होते थे, they used to be really shit, could not even do 2 things at once, but Gemini can do a lot of stuff. Next, Elon Musk has claimed that OpenAI would not exist without his involvement, and he has apparently also sued OpenAI. Basically, he's saying कि I funded OpenAI because they said that they would keep everything in AI open source, and now they are running for profit. This is also really exciting for YouTubers. So YouTube is testing this feature for Gemini to be able to brainstorm video ideas for creators. Now I am really excited about this because YouTube has a lot of data on what works and what doesn't work on YouTube obviously. And now जब Gemini इसके साथ link हो जाएगा, when it will help you to brainstorm video ideas. I just wonder if they will add this feature where it uses all of YouTube's data to analyze whether or not a certain video is going to work or not. Again, ये OpenAI का यही चालू है. A YouTuber has filed a lawsuit against OpenAI, basically saying कि तुम लोग मेरी transcript without permission scrape कर ले रहे हो and you're using it without asking anyone, without asking YouTube, without asking me. That's going on. So OpenAI is slowly becoming an evil corporation. And now Microsoft. Microsoft does this dumb thing by officially recognizing OpenAI as a competitor in one of their reports. Microsoft is a big company, but it basically owns OpenAI at this point. Why would you call one of the best companies at AI a competitor when you own it? Grok. So I'm not talking about Elon Musk Grok. GROQ एक कंपनी है. उन लोगों ने $640 million का राउंड रेज किया है to create high performance chips especially for AI. And I just realized कि मैं माइक के बिना रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूँ. OpenAI has structured outputs in its API. Basically क्या होता है कि sometimes we just want ChatGPT to give a certain kind of result. जैसे अगर मैं कुछ structured चीज़ ChatGPT से लेने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, usually क्या होता है, हम JSON लेते हैं. अगर तुम एक वेबसाइट बिल्डर बनाओगे and you tell ChatGPT to pick a few elements कि ये अगर वेबसाइट है तो इस पे एलिमेंट्स क्या जाने चाहिए, तो इट विल गिव यू अ टेक्सचुअल रिस्पॉन्स. नाउ यू वांट इट टू बी इन JSON ताकि आप डायरेक्टली उसको अपने कोड में इंटीग्रेट कर पाओ. एंड दैट फीचर हैज़ बीन ऑफिशियली अनाउंस्ड बाय OpenAI एंड दे आर रिलीजिंग इट. If you are not a programmer, this is a really good feature, and if you are, you know what I'm talking about. इसके बाद Nvidia's upcoming Blackwell GPUs are delayed due to design flaws. So if you guys don't know, Nvidia was going to release this Blackwell line of GPUs which is supposed to be great at AI tasks. They have been delayed yet again because they found like some design flaws in the GPUs. AMD का Q2 का रिपोर्ट निकला है. Apparently they have a lot of increased revenue from their AI segment and data centers. I guess now AMD is also becoming like Nvidia, wherein they are a chip company and now they will start creating chips specialized for AI. So there is this article on how Microsoft is losing money on AI and stuff. तो बेसिकली उन लोगों ने अब तक AI से पैसे कमाने का कोई एग्जैक्ट मेथड नहीं निकाला है, विच इज़ quite obvious, you can't see it anywhere, but I think it's more of a long term investment, right? उसके बाद Taco Bell, the taco company, they are making AI drive-thrus. तो इंडिया में ड्राइव थ्रू का कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं है, बट फॉर एनीवन हु डज नॉट नो, यूएस में क्या होता है कि जो अपने फास्ट फूड रेस्टोरेंट्स होते हैं ना, दे हैव लाइक अ काउंटर, समवन विल बी पिकिंग आउट ऑफ द काउंटर एंड यू कैन जस्ट ऑर्डर इनटू द माइक एंड सामने से आपका ऑर्डर वो दे देगा. नाउ ये लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, दे आर फुल्ली ऑटोमेटिंग दिस काउंटर यूजिंग एआई. That's crazy, bro. Okay, Humane, if anyone remembers Humane, they had raised around $700 million, and after finally releasing their product, they couldn't even make it to $1 million. So that's just sad. Google ने अभी Gemini का सर्च कैपेबिलिटी एंड Google Lens जो है, अगर आपने यूज़ किया होगा, उसके भी फीचर्स क्रोम में डाल दिए हैं. तो क्रोम का जो डेस्कटॉप ऐप है उसके अंदर यू विल बी एबल टू एक्सेस सम AI फीचर्स. सो अभी थोड़े टाइम पहले एक पेपर आया विच इज टॉकिंग अबाउट ऑप्टिमाइजिंग AI मॉडल्स. अपेरेंटली दे हैव फाउंड आउट दैट ऑप्टिमाइजिंग स्मॉलर मॉडल्स इज मोर कॉस्ट एफिशिएंट than training bigger models. There is this company called Tenzi. They have raised $9 million to release a product called Max. Basically, they've given a very vague description of it. It is designed to streamline workflow and improve decision making capability in companies, which is basically every AI tool at this point. So it's basically scheduling interviews and stuff like that. Basically, इसका main purpose है recruitment. It can help you with sourcing people, ranking their resumes, and scheduling the interviews. You could call it an autonomous recruiter that uses AI. Next is एक GitHub repository आया है. It's called Cog Video. Now this is basically a video generator AI model that is open source. And why this is special is इसका जो performance है that is very close to closed source models. So Runway Gen 2 and stuff like that. There is this new model called Qwen2 Math. Now basically ये वाले जो models है ना, the math category के, ये completely different category है और ये काफ़ी कम लोगों ने सुना है. Basically these are AI models that are good at math. Pretty obvious. Now why this is great is because maths is like the core of scientific research. And if there are AI models that can help you with mathematics, there are AI models that can help you with further research. Basically, ये जो Qwen2 Math model निकला है, this is really good at these research kind questions. And as per the scores, it beats Gemini Math Specialized models, Cloud 3.5 Sonnet, GPT-4o, and even Gemini 1.5 Pro. ये सबकी mathematical capability it defeats, which is pretty great. That's impressive. Alright guys, so that will be it for today. Thanks for watching. Tata, bye bye.